Today, I'm going to share my review about Fal.ai, a generative AI platform that's becoming popular among developers and enterprises for its speed, scalability, and versatility. On the positive side, Fal.ai's biggest selling point is its ultra-fast inference engine. It runs diffusion models up to 4x faster than typical platforms, which makes near real-time image, video, audio, or even 3D generation possible. The platform also offers an extensive library of over 600 production-ready models, giving users a wide range of tools without the need to set up their own hardware. Developers particularly appreciate the flexible APIs and SDKs for Python, JavaScript, and Swift, making integration smooth and efficient. Another strength is its enterprise-grade infrastructure, proven reliable enough to handle high-volume AI requests at scale. Instead of requiring big upfront investments, Fal.ai uses a pay-per-use model, so you only pay for the compute time you actually consume. However, Fal.ai isn't without its drawbacks. The most common criticism is its high cost. Many users find it more expensive than alternatives, especially for long-term or large-scale projects. Some developers have also reported inconsistent training results, particularly with the Fal.ai divided by Flux Pro trainer, which struggles to retain facial features and has limited parameters for training, such as restrictions on rank and training steps. This can be a deal breaker for those needing very high quality, personalized results. Additionally, while Fal.ai promotes a vast model library, some users feel the selection is less comprehensive than expected, leaving gaps for niche use cases. Key takeaway: Fal.ai is best suited for developers and enterprises who prioritize speed, reliability, and scalability over cost. If your project demands ultra-fast generative media without the burden of managing hardware, Fal.ai delivers. But if budget is your main concern or you need highly customized, detailed training, you may want to compare it with more cost-effective options. Pro tip: start small by testing a few models with minimal compute usage. This helps you gauge both quality and cost efficiency before scaling up. Thank you for watching.